colds, coughs, sniffles. At every time of year, that is such an annoyance, especially when you have something special to be going to or work, and there is a wonderful way to try to nip it in the bud, and that is using a little small travel hair dryer and turning it on and angling the air, the warm air, under the nose, and close your eyes and breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth, and within seconds you will feel amazing relief in your nasal passages. The blower, the hot air from the little dryer, warms the nasal passages to a temperature that kills germs. And if you catch an incipient cold or cough or a sniffle and you nip it in the bud, you'll be able to have success with your hair dryer. This is also wonderful for pregnant women who want to avoid any kind of drugs or any type of medication. Using your hair dryer for that is wonderful. Also, if you have an injury and you need to put heat on the injury, a wrist, a finger, a knee, whatever, you can use a hair dryer and put that warm air wherever you're sitting onto the injury. But going back to your sniffles, I keep this little hair dryer near my bathroom, and you can sit on, top of a nice cushioned toilet with a cover on, of course, and have some music on, close your eyes, and then just use your little tiny hair dryer in order to breathe in. 3 minutes is minimum, but if you could sit there for 6, 7, 8 minutes and then redo this every maybe 30 minutes to 45 minutes, it will catch that incipient cold. It's a wonderful tip, and it's all described in my Bible for the Extended Lifespan by me, Carol Lynn Steiner.